Step number 1, find the product to promote. Step number 2, copy your affiliate link. Step number 3, paste your link here and click post. And step number 4, start making money like this.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a free traffic method for affiliate marketing that can potentially get you hundreds of dollars every day. And you can set up everything in just 60 seconds. And I'm going to show you step by step how to set up everything properly. And this is available worldwide. You don't need a website, you don't need any software, it is 100% free. And also watch this video till the end because I'm going to give you a tip that will help you to get even more traffic with this method to your affiliate offers. So with that being said, let me just jump in my computer and we are going to begin.
Okay. First thing you need to do, you need to find the products to promote. And for that you can use ClickBank, you can use Digital24, you can use JVZoo, you can use Warrior Plus or some other affiliate network. But I like to use ClickBank. Second thing you need to do, you need to choose your niche. Now I know that for this method, make money online niche works really well, but you can use this method for other niches as well, really efficiently. But like I said, for this method, from my experience, make money online works the best. So what I need to do, I need to scroll here and I need to click on e-business and e-marketing. And I will sort these by gravity. And what you need to do, you need to research all of these products. You need to check their sales pages, affiliate tools pages. You need to read some reviews and so on and so on. And based on those data, you will decide which of these products you actually wish to promote. Before we continue, it would mean a lot to me if you like this video and also if you subscribe to my channel and turn all notifications on so you don't miss any of my new videos. Also, if you have any questions, feel free to leave the comment down below and I will try to answer on all of your questions. Okay, let's continue. So let's say I wish to promote this product here, 12-minute affiliate system. As you can see here, people on average make $174 and that is with upsells and downsales. Gravity is 125, which means at least 125 people sold this product in past 30 days. So what I need to do, I need to open their sales page in the new tab so I can check it out. Now sales page is really important because if a product that we are promoting have a good sales page, that means that more people that we send on their sales page will convert in buyers and that means that we will make more money. So I need to check their sales page. And as you can see here, now this title is really catchy, so that is good. They are opening their sales page with the interesting video, that is also good. So we need to scroll here, more data. Okay, they are actually creating urgency. As you can see here, they have some discount and urgency here. That is always good. So we need to keep scrolling. Okay, check it out more. We need to find, okay, testimonials and proof of earning is always good. And here we can see proof of earning. So that is really good. So we need to scroll further to see more. Okay, more earning proofs, so that is great. Another video, that is also good. Again, urgency here, so that is also good. Bit more about the guy who actually created this. That is also good because it creates trust. So let me just scroll more to, okay, numbers are always good. People like numbers, so that is good. So let me just scroll further to see, to check it out more. Okay, let me just scroll. Okay, another video. Okay, urgency again. Let me just scroll. How it works, that is also good. Let me just scroll more. Bonuses are always good. It doesn't matter if your sales page is doing it or you should also offer some bonuses to your buyers. So bonuses are always good. So let me just scroll more. Okay, here we can see some testimonials, also really important, really good. So let me just scroll more. Okay, this page looks like a good page. Now, okay, 60 days money back guarantee, that is great because usually these products have 30 days money back. So this is actually really great. So let me just scroll more through their sales page and I need to find to see, do they actually have a contact us? Okay, contact us. Now this is also really important because people like to see contact us page because if they have some kind of problem or some question, they would actually like to contact their support. So that is really, really important. Sales page must have contact us. So overall, this is actually a pretty good sales page, and it can convert lots of people that we send to their sales page into a buyers. So we can make even more money. Like I said, this is a good sales page. So what I need to do next is I actually need to open their affiliate tools page also in the new tab. So let me just click here, open in new tab, because we are actually going to need some of these tools that they're actually giving us. Here you can see they're explaining more how their affiliate program works. So we don't really need that. I will click here on affiliate links, swipes and graphics. And when we scroll here, we can see that they're actually offering us a different landing page. As you can see here, sleep sales technology, pizza system, Grandva can do it, on-demand auto webinar. Now I like to send people on free webinars because from my experience, free webinars are converting the best. So I will actually send people to this page here. So next thing we need to do, we need to build a bridge page. And it is best if you can use ClickFunnels or Builderall, but I know that many of you don't have money to pay for those softwares and you are looking for free solutions. And the best free solution, in my opinion, is Google Sites. Google Sites is absolutely free. If you have Gmail account, you have Google Sites. After you come on Google Sites, just click here on blank. So now we need to build our bridge page. So I will click here on header type and I will choose title only. And I will go back on their sales page and I will simply copy this here. Ctrl C to copy, go back on Google Sites. So I will paste my title here, Ctrl V to paste. Okay, this is my title. So I will just drag it to make it fit perfectly, like this. And I will drag it like this. And I will actually make it smaller. Now is 45, so I will highlight my title like this. And let's say I will make it, let's say 30, for example. Okay, this looks much better. And I actually need to make bold some parts of this text. For example, like they said, sleep sales technology. So I will make this, I will highlight this and I will make it bold, just like this. And I will also use different font, so I will highlight this again and I will use, let's say, Arial. Okay, now it's Arial and I will actually make it smaller because it doesn't fit perfectly. Let's say 24. Okay, let's say 28. 28, enter. Okay, that is too big. Let's say 25, enter. Okay, this is much better. And I will also change the color of my title. So I will just click here on this A. And let's say blue here, okay? And as you can see, it's now blue. Now, Arial is not the best font style for title, but I'm doing this just for the purpose of this video. Of course, you will make this much better. So now I need to add body of my bridge page. So I will click here and I will click on image and then click on select. And then I'm going to click on by URL. And I'm actually going back on their sales page and I'm going to find one of their proof images. Okay, let's say this one here, for example. So let me just go back here and let me just right click here, copy image link and go back on Google Sites and paste it here. Okay, this is the image, insert image, and I will actually make this larger. So let me just drag it like this. Okay, bit more. And I will also drag it like this to make it fit perfectly. And I need to drag it more. So I need to scroll here and drag it even more. Okay, now looks much better. So now I need to add my call to action. So I will click here and I will click here on text box. And here I need to add my call to action and I can say something like this. Free webinar, click here to book your spot. And I will make this center. So let me just choose this. And I will make it larger. So I will click here and let's say 24. And let's say even bigger. Let's say 30. and I will change the color, let's say red for example, and I will make it bold. Now you can use button if you want. You can also add some arrows just to make it more interesting, just to grab even more attention of the people who visit your bridge page, but you don't really need to do that, but it is better to do something like that. And here I can actually copy this. Let me just Control C, and I can also paste it here. So let me just click on text box and I will paste it here. And I need to highlight this and click here on insert link. And I need to add my affiliate link, so I will go back on their affiliate tools page, and like I said, I wish to promote their free webinar, so I will copy this, highlight, Control C, and go back on my Google page, and I will paste it here, and let me just go back like this, and I need to replace this with my ClickBank affiliate ID. Okay, and click here apply, and that's it. And I can do that exactly the same here. Again, let me just highlight this, click on this link, paste. Let's just find this. Okay, I need to replace this with my ClickBank affiliate ID. Of course, if you are using same thing for Digistore 24, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, you will add your Digistore 24 ID, JVZoo ID, Warrior Plus ID, or whatever you are using. So like I said, my ClickBank ID, click here apply, and when they actually click here, they will come on their free webinar page, and this is how their free webinar page looks like. As you can see here, yes, grab my seat now. Okay, it starts today, 16th August. So let me just go back, and now I actually need to add some proof and testimonials, so I will go back on their sales page. Okay, this is their sales page, and I need to find more proof, so let me just right click here, copy image link, and go back here, and I will click here and then click on images, select, and select by URL, paste the link here, click insert image, and I will find another image. Let's say this one here, for example. Right click, copy image link, go back here, and then click here, select by URL, paste it here, insert image, and let me just move it here. Okay, and I will add another one. Let me just choose, let's say this one here, for example, copy image link, click here image, select by URL, and paste it here, give it a second, insert image, and I will move that image here. Okay, this is how my one-page website or bridge page actually looks like. So when I'm satisfied how everything looks, all I have to do now is just click here on publish, and now I need to choose web address of my bridge page. So let's say 12-minute affiliate system. So okay, to see, okay, it's not available, so let's just add one to see is it available. Yes, it is available. Click here on publish, give it a second, and then click here on preview, and this is how my bridge page looks like. It's not the best bridge page, but like I said, I'm doing this just for the purpose of this video. You will of course make this much better. So now I actually need to start promoting my bridge page. And for that we are going to use website called 60-second traffic. So this is basically a traffic exchange website. So that means that you will send some traffic to some people and some other people will send some traffic to you totally free. They have free plan and paid plan. You basically need only a free plan. I mean, you can use paid plan, but like I said, you only need a free plan. That is quite fine. Just click here on join free. This is their sales page. They are offering you paid plan, but like I said, all you need is a free plan. Just scroll here and click on option to join free. Click here, and here you need to add your email address and password. Click register, and that's it. You don't even need to confirm your email. After you register, you will come to this page here. Just click here on member home. And you will come to this page here, and you need to scroll here and click here to join to at least 3 Facebook groups from their list. As you can see here, they have a pretty big list of Facebook groups, and quite often you can actually see by the URL what that group is all about. If you don't, you can simply visit that Facebook group and check it out. And all you have to do is just mark that group like this and just scroll here on the bottom. Let me just scroll here. Okay, on the bottom. And click here, update my favorites, and that's it. You will join those Facebook groups. And now you need to click here on share, and you need to share, let me just close this, you need to share this message here in these 4 Facebook groups that you join. Actually, these are 4 groups that I joined. You will of course join at least 3, maybe even 20 or 50 groups, doesn't matter, and you will share that post in these groups. And then close this window, and this is what is important for us. Here we need to add our message. Here we need to promote our bridge page. So we need to add a short 110 characters text and a link. So I can say something like this: how I made $460 in one day, and then space, and now I need to go back on my bridge page on Google Sites, and I need to, let me just close this, and I need to click here on this little chain to get a link to my one-page website. Copy here, go back here, and let me just add it like this. Okay, and now I need to choose category. So let me just find the category, online business. This is the best category for this because we are actually promoting affiliate product. And then just click here on post it, and you will post this on 60-second traffic. And like I said, people will start sharing your post like this in Facebook groups, just like you shared this post here in some Facebook groups. And if you are on free plan, you can share 3 posts per day. In that way, 3, 5, maybe even 10 people will share your post every day in Facebook groups. If you are paid member, you can actually share 15 posts, and in that way, maybe 20, 30, maybe even 50 people will share your post here in Facebook groups. And in that way, you can get 5, 10 times more traffic, free traffic from Facebook to your landing page, to your bridge page where you are promoting your affiliate product. And if you share 3 posts every day, 5, 10, maybe even 15 people every day will share your post in Facebook groups. And in that way you will get 5, maybe even 10 times more free traffic to your bridge page. And in that way you will get even more people to click on your affiliate link, and even more people to register for a free webinar in this case, and you will make even more sales. As you can see, this really is simple. Literally anybody can do this, even if you are absolute beginner. So this is how you drive free traffic to your affiliate offers without website.
That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.